Okay, so this has begun to bottom out. Visibility is down to a little over a quarter mile. I can still see a little bit way over there in the end. I checked here about two and a half hours ago. We had 3 inches. Clearly, just by looking at it now, that number's increased significantly, and by the look of what I've already seen, I estimate that about another 5 or 6 inches is on top of that. So I'm guessing about 10 at the moment, from where I'm standing. The wind is definitely blowing. We've had gusts to about 30-35 miles an hour, give or take, on occasion, which isn't too bad, but it could be worse. The snow's coming down at a relatively moderate cliff at the moment. Not definitely the heaviest I've seen it, though, but it's coming down pretty good. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit to some light here. Oh, dear. And zoom out, because here comes a bunch of wind. You might be able to see that wind, you might not. There was a nice gust. And I'm sure you can probably hear the wind. And of course, it is cold outside, and I'm shivering a little bit, so I think I'm going to head inside though. But there's a quick look at the storm. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll give you any updates as they become available. Thanks a lot.